6 simple steps to kiss him like a goddess. In the realm of romantic connections, kissing serves as a powerful catalyst for intimacy. Renowned relationship coach and former attorney, Matt Schaefer, shares his expertise in a step-by-step process designed to elevate your kissing game and create a magnetic connection with your partner. This comprehensive guide will delve into each step, providing insights, tips, and the psychology behind the art of kissing. Transitioning into the core of Matt Schaefer's transformative kissing guide, let's unravel the intricacies of his step-by-step process. Introduction and background. Delve into the art of kissing with Matt Schaefer, a seasoned relationship coach merging legal expertise with matters of the heart. His groundbreaking 6-step process is designed to revolutionize your approach to kissing, fostering a deeper, more dynamic connection with your partner. Join us on a journey of empowerment and intimacy, where each kiss becomes a transformative expression of passion. Matt's mission is clear: to equip individuals with the tools to cultivate not just relationships, but fulfilling and enduring bonds. This guide is a gateway to unlocking the secrets of extraordinary kisses, elevating your romantic connections to new heights. Through a blend of expert insights and practical tips, you'll gain the skills to initiate and navigate kisses that go beyond the ordinary, creating an irresistible magnetism between you and your partner. Don't miss out on the opportunity to redefine your approach to intimacy. Let Matt Schaefer guide you on a path where every kiss becomes a powerful statement of love and connection, forging a bond that withstands the test of time. Moving forward, let's delve into Matt's philosophy, where he introduces the concept of polarity as the bedrock of dynamic connections. Understanding polarity in relationships. Step into the realm of profound connection with Matt Schaefer as he unravels the essence of polarity in relationships. Polarity, according to Matt, is the harmonious fusion of fully embodied masculine and feminine energies, giving birth to a dynamic dance of connection. In this illuminating section, we explore the profound significance of polarity, viewing it as the inherent force that unfolds and naturally expands connections between partners. Picture a delicate yet enticing tension between individuals, akin to the anticipation of savoring a delicious meal. This analogy underscores the pivotal role of polarity in crafting relationships that are not only passionate but enduring. The dance of opposing energies creates a magnetic field, drawing partners closer in a harmonious interplay of attraction and unity. As we navigate the intricacies of polarity, it becomes evident that this force is more than a mere concept. It's the invisible thread weaving through the fabric of lasting relationships. The dynamics of polarity contribute to the intensity and richness of connections, ensuring that relationships evolve organically, creating a canvas where love, desire, and understanding flourish. Matt's insights delve deep into the art of balancing masculine and feminine energies within a relationship, fostering an environment where partners can authentically express themselves and embrace the beauty of their unique attributes. Join us in unraveling the transformative power of polarity, where the dance of connection becomes a timeless symphony of love and passion. Now, let's dissect the first step in Matt's kissing guide, emphasizing the significance of nonverbal initiation. Step 1: Nonverbal initiation. Unlock the secrets to a mesmerizing kiss with Matt Schaefer as he unveils the cornerstone of captivating intimacy, the nonverbal initiation. In this pivotal step, Matt advocates for inviting your partner into the dance of desire through subtle cues, creating an allure that transcends words. Central to this approach is Matt's emphasis on the man as the physical driver in the relationship, underscoring the significance of nonverbal communication. Dive into the art of seduction as Matt guides you through techniques that go beyond words: the magnetic gaze of your eyes, the warmth of a genuine smile, and the eloquence of open body language. These nuanced gestures serve as the language of desire, speaking volumes without uttering a single word. Matt skillfully cautions against the direct verbalization of the desire for a kiss, urging individuals to let the unspoken tension build, fostering an atmosphere charged with anticipation. This step, intricately woven into the fabric of Matt's approach, is designed to preserve the delicate balance of chemistry and polarity in a relationship. By allowing the man to take the lead in nonverbal initiation, a dynamic unfolds where desire simmers beneath the surface, creating a magnetic pull between partners. Join us in exploring this transformative step, where the unspoken becomes the foundation for a kiss that transcends the ordinary, igniting a passionate flame that defines truly magnetic connections. Building upon the foundation, we move into the second step, where individuals are guided to meet their partners and skillfully slow down the pace. Step 2. Meet him and slow him down. Continuing the journey of seduction, Matt Schaefer's kissing guide takes a nuanced turn in the second step. Here, the focus shifts to meeting your partner where the kiss begins, creating a seamless transition into an intimate dance. Matt's wisdom extends to the art of slowing down the pace, elevating the kiss into a symphony of anticipation and connection. In this transformative step, Matt offers guidance, particularly for women, emphasizing the power of responding gently if the initiation leans towards the more aggressive side. This nuanced approach empowers individuals to take control of the kiss, allowing them to set the tempo and guide the experience with finesse. It's a delicate balance, asserting control without extinguishing the tantalizing tension that defines a truly enchanting kiss. Throughout this step, we'll uncover techniques like lip feathering, teasing, and the incorporation of tongue play, all aimed at keeping the kiss dynamic and engaging. Step 3. Build intensity with different sensations. In the enchanting realm of kissing, monotony has no place, and Matt Schaefer's third step unveils the art of intensifying the experience through a symphony of sensations. This transformative phase invites individuals to explore a myriad of techniques, ensuring each kiss is a captivating journey in itself. Matt's expertise shines as he introduces techniques like the delicate dance of lip feathering, playful teasing, and the artful incorporation of tongue play. These nuanced maneuvers elevate the kiss beyond the ordinary, creating a dynamic and engaging encounter that keeps both partners enthralled. The step is a canvas for creativity, encouraging individuals to experiment and discover what resonates with their unique connection. Matt's emphasis on avoiding an awkward dance and instead pressing bodies together introduces techniques like wrapping hands around the head and using touch as a primary love language. Step 4. Use body to deepen passion. As we delve deeper into the art of kissing, Matt Schaefer illuminates the pivotal role of the body in intensifying passion. In this fourth step, Matt advocates for steering clear of a lackluster kiss that feels akin to an awkward prom dance. Instead, he guides individuals to embrace a more immersive experience by pressing their bodies against their partners. This transformative step unfolds as a passionate dance where physical connection becomes a language of its own. Matt's expertise shines through detailed techniques such as delicately wrapping hands around the head and sensually using nails down the spine. Each gesture is a brushstroke in the canvas of intimacy, elevating the kiss from a mere meeting of lips to a profound exploration of desire. Central to Matt's philosophy is the recognition of touch as a primary love language for most men. By emphasizing tactile expressions, this step becomes a conduit for deeper emotional connection. The guidance provided ensures that the kiss transcends the physical realm, becoming a visceral experience that resonates with the essence of shared passion. As we navigate through this phase, envision a dance where bodies become intertwined, expressing desires that words may falter to convey. Matt Schaefer's counsel serves as a roadmap, steering individuals away from awkward encounters toward a passionate embrace that signifies a profound understanding of each other's needs and an immersion into the language of touch. In this step, empowerment takes center stage, with individuals encouraged to assertively lead their partners for a more pleasurable experience. Step 5. Guide him to kiss your neck. In this tantalizing phase of Matt Schaefer's kissing guide, attention turns to the exquisite territory of the neck, a renowned sweet spot. Matt's expert advice encourages individuals to take charge, guiding their partners to this alluring area through playful tricks. Whether it's pretending to take a breath or initiating with a sensuous kiss on the ear, the emphasis lies on empowerment. This step unfolds as a journey where individuals assertively direct the flow of intimacy, transforming a simple kiss into an experience that transcends the ordinary. Matt's guidance not only highlights the physical allure of the neck but underscores the importance of active participation in creating a pleasurable encounter. Empowerment becomes the heartbeat of this step, as individuals are urged to communicate their desires assertively, enhancing the shared experience. In this dance of desire, envision partners navigating the landscape of the neck, creating a symphony of pleasure guided by mutual consent and active participation. Matt Schaefer's insights serve as a compass, navigating individuals through the delicate yet empowering art of guiding their partner's actions, ensuring each kiss becomes a nuanced expression of desire and mutual satisfaction. Finally, we conclude our journey through Matt Schaefer's kissing guide by delving into the sixth step, urging individuals to explore various hot spots on their partner's body. Step 6. Explore his hot spots. In the crescendo of Matt Schaefer's comprehensive kissing guide, the final step beckons individuals to embark on an exploration of their partner's hot spots. From the tantalizing terrain of ears and neck to the more intimate zones like nipples and lower abs, Matt accentuates the significance of unveiling unique triggers and preferences. This ultimate phase transforms the kiss into a playful exploration, reminiscent of a tantalizing treasure hunt. The guidance provided encourages a deeper understanding of what activates and excites your partner, transcending the physical act of kissing into a sensorial journey. As individuals navigate the landscape of their partner's body, each touch becomes a revelation, fostering a profound connection grounded in shared pleasure. Matt Schaefer's insights act as a compass in this final step, guiding individuals to approach the exploration with curiosity and a genuine desire to understand their partner's desires. This culmination of the guide ensures that each kiss is not merely a physical expression but a celebration of the unique intricacies that make the intimate connection between partners a rich and fulfilling experience. Mastering the art of kissing is more than a physical act, it's a journey of self-discovery and connection with your partner. Matt Schaefer's six-step process provides a roadmap for transforming a simple kiss into a powerful expression of passion and intimacy. By understanding the nuances of nonverbal communication, pacing, and the art of touch, individuals can elevate their kissing skills and create lasting connections with their partners. As you embark on this journey, remember that each kiss is a unique expression of the dynamic energy shared between two individuals, making the experience both personal and profound. Embark on a journey of passion and connection with Matt Schaefer's transformative kissing guide. Share your insights in the comments below, like this video if you found it helpful, and ensure you never miss expert relationship tips by subscribing to our YouTube channel. Join our community dedicated to fostering fulfilling connections.